Hello and welcome to another limitedresources.us product demonstration video. Today we are going to be learning about quick start and delayed start. I'm going to go into my menu and press my next button twice, and that brings us to our quick start option. So what is quick start? Well, that simply means that the machine will start running the second the first coin is dropped. If I press up, I now have a delayed start, so the machine will not start running until after the second coin is dropped, or the third, or the fourth, and so on. I'm going to bring it back down to 2 for a delayed start, hit save, and now my machine will run as soon as I've made that second coin drop. For more information about our coin boxes or other fine quality products, please follow the links given below. Thank you very much.